Well, hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma. How's everybody doing? I'm doing a little bit better, but still got this cold. Anyway, I'm bringing you the electric toothbrush review, and it's the little, I don't know what this is. I think it's my glass for that. The little Martins. Anyway, it's the electric toothbrush. It's for a small child or a baby. And I got this for the littlest granddaughter, and it is lead from light. It has 1,600 strokes per minute, and then it has two types of brushes, and then it has a timer. And these are the two. This is the two brushes right here. You see those? So I'm liking this. I think that she lost 2 teeth, so she's all about taking care of her teeth now, so the toothbrush can have clean teeth. That's what she said. But I like this brush, and I hope you like it too. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and put a comment in the comment section. And I will see you all later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.